What if I told you the entire solar system is sitting inside not one but two giant bubbles in space, and our sun is almost perfectly in the center of a bubble that's a 1000 light years wide. Space looks empty, but the more we explore, the more surprises we find. For decades, humans believed we understood the solar system. We mapped the planets, visited comets, and even brought samples from asteroids. But then scientists found something shocking. Our entire solar system, including the faraway Oort cloud, is floating inside a huge cosmic bubble. And inside this giant bubble, there is another bubble created by the sun itself. Let's find out what these bubbles are, why they exist, and how they protect life on Earth. Voyager's strange discovery. In 1977, NASA launches Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. They have now traveled farther than any human-made object in history. Both spacecraft measured something unexpected near the edge of the solar system. Normally, as you move away from the sun, the solar wind becomes weaker and thinner. But when Voyager crossed the boundary called the Heliosphere, something strange happened. Space suddenly became denser. The number of particles increased from what scientists predicted. Why would the emptiness of space suddenly get crowded? Because this is where solar particles crash into particles from interstellar space, creating a traffic jam of plasma. And this boundary forms the outer skin of our first bubble. The heliosphere, a protective bubble created by the solar wind. Inside it, all the planets, moons, and small bodies. The heliosphere shields Earth from dangerous cosmic radiation. Without it, life on Earth might not even exist. But there is a bigger bubble, the local bubble. While studying nearby stars and dust clouds, scientists noticed something odd. The solar system sits inside a large, almost empty region. Unlike the rest of the Milky Way, which is full of gas and dust. Using advanced 3D mapping, astronomers discovered we are inside a gigantic bubble 1000 light years across. This bubble is called the local bubble. How did it form? Millions of years ago, about 15 giant stars exploded as supernova. Their shock waves pushed away surrounding gas and carved out a giant cavity like blowing a bubble in space. The surface of this bubble is dense, but the inside is mostly empty, which is why we can see stars so clearly in the night sky. Today, new stars are forming on the bubble's outer shell. Even more amazing, the sun was not always at the center. It drifted into the bubble as it moved around the Milky Way. Why this bubble matter? So, what does all this mean? The heliosphere protects Earth. It blocks high energy particles flying through the galaxy. Without this bubble, Earth would be hit with deadly radiation. The local bubble makes our sky beautiful because the bubble's interior is so clean and low density. Starlight travels easily. If space around us were thicker and dustier, we could not see the night sky as we do today. Earth may be lucky. Some scientists noticed that many mass extinction events happen when the sun crosses dense region of the galaxy. Right now, we are in a safer, quieter zone inside the local bubble. So yes, in a cosmic sense, Earth is currently in a good neighborhood. The solar system inside the bubble. Let's visualize the structure. Sun at the center, planets out to Neptune at 30 AU, Kuiper belt up to 55 AU, heliosphere boundary at around 125 AU, then the Oort cloud up to 1.5 light years. After that, the giant local bubble. These layered structures mean our solar system is like a ship sailing inside calm waters, protected from cosmic storm. A gift for future space travelers. Dust is a major danger for interstellar travel. Small grains moving at high speed can destroy a spacecraft. But the local bubble is unusually clean. It's almost as if space is saying, your path to the star is ready. Alpha Centauri, Tau Ceti, other nearby systems, the way is clearer than average. Maybe humanity's step into the stars is not an accident, but an opportunity created by cosmic events millions of years ago. The more we learn, the clearer we become. We are not just living in space, we are floating inside two protective bubbles formed by the sun and by ancient exploding stars. These bubbles shaped our past, protect our present, and may guide our future. Stay curious and keep watching the universe with wonder.